Dear students, now we are going to solve a small straight line problem which is inclined to both HP and VP. First let us go through the problem. The straight line AB of length 50 mm, that is the true length of the line is 50 mm, has its end A 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. That means the straight line one end is specified 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Now the straight line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 35 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So the line is inclined to both HP as well as VP. 30 degrees inclined to HP. We can see this inclination only on the VP. It is 35 degrees inclined to VP. This inclination we can see only on the HP. So for this problem, first let us try to construct one XY line, and then here first initially let us locate the point A which is 15 mm above HP, that we can see only on VP. It is 15 mm, and then 20 mm in front of VP. At 20 mm I can just mark, this is the projector, this is the point A dash, and this is A which is at 15 mm above HP. This 15 mm I can just mark here, it's 15 mm, and this is 20 mm, 20 mm in front of VP. Now in this one, here we are going to construct this 30 degrees and mark the true length from the point A dash. That means 30 degrees inclination to HP you can see only on VP. Before that we can construct one locus of this A dash as well as A. Here we have to make 30 degrees and here we have to make 35 degrees. So let us use a protractor for constructing this inclination. So here I can mark 30 degrees and then I can just construct one line, light line, then we can make it dark. So here it is 35 degrees. So here I can construct this line. So here we can mark the true length of the straight line. The true length of the straight line is given as 50 mm. So here from this point A dash I am marking the point B1 dash at 50 mm. This is B1 dash, this is at 50 mm. So from this B dash I can draw one locus also. Similarly, this inclination is 30 degrees. Now here I can mark the same 50 mm line at 35 degrees inclined line. This is 35 degrees. Now this is the point through which we have to draw one another locus. This point is B1. So these two lengths are 50 mm and this one is inclined at 35 degrees. This is inclined at 35 degrees. Now here we can project this B1 dash along this line A like this. You can just project this and then we can get this length. This length is the top view length of the straight line. So let us say this point B. From this B1 we can just project this till your A dash. That means here we can just construct this line to meet this locus of A dash. This one is called B dash. This is called your front view length. This is your front view length. Now these lengths we are going to make an arc and cut on the locus. For example, if you want to get the front view, you can take this length as your radius and then we can draw one arc to cut your locus. So it is cutting at this point. So this is going to be your front view. This is called your B dash. This is the actual front view of the straight line. Now to get the top view, either you can draw a vertical line or you can make this AB as an arc. Both will be meeting at the same point. So let us take this top view length A to B, and then we can just draw one arc to cut the locus of your B1. So it is cutting at this point. This is your B, it is a B only. Now let us join this one with a dark line to indicate it's a front view of the straight line. This is front view of the straight line. So we can just check these two lines will be on the same straight line. It has to come in the same straight line. So this inclination which it makes a front view makes with your horizontal is called apparent inclination alpha. This is the top view which makes inclination with your horizontal is called the apparent inclination beta. Here we can notice when the straight line is inclined at 30 and 35 degrees to HP as well as VP respectively, the top view as well as front view both will be inclined to more than the real inclination angle. That means the alpha will be more than 30 degrees and beta will be more than 35 degrees. So this is going to be your front view. So this completes your projection of the straight line which is inclined to both HP as well as VP. Thank you.